All of us know and love the Cauchy-Riemann Equations. However, there is one moment that I have seen nobody talk about. What if we express the variable in its polar form? And what about the function? And here we will explore that. So let's first remind ourselves about the casual, normal Cauchy-Riemann equations. We can easily derive them using the chain rule and by taking partial derivatives. So if we take the partial derivative by y of x of f of x plus iy, then we will get the factor of I by the chain rule. And by dividing by I, we will get our well-known Cauchy-Riemann equations. Now, in other forms, it will follow the same principle. So let's have a look. When we express the function in its polar form, when we take derivative by x, the modulus function will just be differentiated while the exponential will stay the same. But when we differentiate the argument function in the exponent, then the r will remain the same, but I multiplied by d theta by dx will come down from the exponent by the chain rule. When we differentiate by y, it is the same. However, we of course need to multiply by I on the left side. So when we get the stuff, this multiplied by r here and here becomes a crucial factor. And so in our final Cauchy-Riemann equations, we need to divide by it. And that is the main difference when our function is expressed in its polar form. Well, what if our argument is expressed in its polar form? Well, the principal thing here is that the exponent will be out on the left hand side. And here we will yet again gain I multiplied by r when we differentiate by theta. So altogether, what will happen is that we will divide by the variable r. And generally it is quite similar. Now, what happens when we express both the function and the variable in its polar form? When we get, we get both the r here and the r here, and the I, of course. And when we divide everything by r, and when we cancel out the exponents, we get this form, where the capital R, which is the function, and the small r, which is the variable, they are intertwined in some fancy ways. So, to summarize, I would like to show you this table, which is our result that we derived today. Here you can look how the function and variable affect the shape and form of our Cauchy-Riemann equations. Hopefully it was useful, and thank you for your attention. Goodbye!